live from Caesar's Palace. I'm the historian Livy, and I'm here to tell you about the Battle of Zama. That's right, Carthaginians. Act it up, yo. All right, the year was 218 BCE. The great Carthaginian general Hannibal, who had a thing for elephants, I think they call them furries, has captured Roman territory in Spain and has turned his attention to an even more ambitious target, the Italian peninsula, the heartland of the Roman Republic. With his army and 37 war elephants, Hannibal crossed the Alps and struck fear into the hearts of the Romans. For the next 15 years, the Carthaginian army marched up and down Rome, capturing Rome's territory and terrorizing her allies. In this time, a soon-to-be Roman hero emerged, Publius Cornelius Scipio. Received the praise of all Rome and was given the title Africanus in commemoration of his victory over Hannibal and the Carthaginians. And with that, the defeated Carthaginians laid on the ground sadly, in dead positions. And the Romans salted the earth, but instead of salting the earth, because that would get us in a ton of trouble, they did an embarrassing victory dance. And they danced, and they